Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn French with Megha. Today we are going to learn how to make questions in French using Quel, which are called les adjectifs interrogatifs. So what are interrogative adjectives? Words which are used to ask questions to make a choice between two or more things. You need the interrogative adjective quel, meaning which or what. For example, quel film tu vois? Which film you see? Life of Pi or superhero? So here we are making a choice. Which film you see? Life of Pi or superhero? Quelle couleur préfères-tu? Which color you prefer? Jaune, rouge or bleu? Yellow, red or blue? Interrogative adjectives in French must agree in number, singular or plural, and gender, masculine or feminine, with the noun that follows it. Interrogative adjectives are placed directly in front of a noun. There are four interrogative adjectives in French. Quel is used for masculine singular, for example, quel livre. Quel with S is used for masculine plural, for example, quel livre. Here, livre is masculine and plural, so we use quel. Then again, quelle, which is feminine singular, for example, quelle fleur. Quelle, feminine plural, for example, quelle fleur. The pronunciation remains same for all the interrogative adjective, either it is masculine, feminine, singular or plural. But there is a little difference in the spelling. Quel, for masculine plural, we add S. Then for feminine singular, it will be double L. Then for feminine plural, double L with S. So, three forms of making questions by using interrogative adjectives. We can form questions in French by using three forms. So, how to use these three forms with quel to make questions in French? First one is with rising intonation. Elle joue quel sport? Here we can put adjective interrogative and the noun at the end of the question. Elle joue quel sport? But it needs a rising intonation. Then with est, for example, quel sport est-ce qu'elle joue? Quel sport est-ce qu'elle joue? Then with inversion, quel sport joue-t-elle? Quel sport joue-t-elle? Informally, quel and the noun can be put at the end of the question. So in rising intonation, we can put the quel and the noun at the end of the question. Interrogative adjectives can also be used with prepositions. Prepositions a, the, avec, dont, pour, etc. are required in front of the interrogative adjective. They should not appear at the end of the sentence. So we cannot use prepositions at the end of the sentence. For example, à quelle heure tu vas arriver? At what time you will reach? Here we have used preposition a with quel. Dans quel sac tu as mis ton livre? In which bag did you put your book? So here we have used the preposition dans. Interrogative adjectives with être verb. Normally, interrogative adjectives are followed by a noun. The verb être is the only verb that can directly follow interrogative adjectives. For example, quel est ton numéro de téléphone? What is your telephone number? Quelle est ta couleur préférée? What is your favorite color? Interrogative adjectives are also used to ask indirect questions. For example, Je ne sais pas quelle chemise il va acheter. I don't know which shirt he want to buy. Je ne sais pas quelle chemise il va acheter. Savez-vous quel est son plat préféré? Do you know what is his preferred dish? So, to ask indirect questions, we can use interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives in exclamation. Interrogative adjectives can also be used in exclamation. Here, the implication may be either positive or negative. For example, quel bizarre, how weird. Quel dommage, too bad, what a shame. Quelle jolie robe, what pretty dresses. Now let's complete the sentences with interrogative adjectives. First one is dash chemise achètes tu. Chemise is feminine and plural, so we use this quelle. Quelle chemise achètes tu? Tu pars à quelle heure? Here, heure is feminine and singular, so we use quelle. Tu pars à quelle heure? Dash livre lisez-vous? Livre is masculine and plural, so we use quel with s. Quel livre lisez-vous? Quel est ton plat préféré? What is your favorite dish? Here, plat is masculine singular, so we use quel. Quel est ton plat préféré? Thanks for watching my video. Hope you understood Quelles adjective interrogatives. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. I will definitely get back to you. But before leaving, I request you to like, subscribe, share, and press the notification icon to get the updates of my new videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. A bientôt.